Hi everyone, welcome back to our beginner tutorial on how to use Upwork in 2025. Whether you are a freelancer looking to earn online or a total newbie, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything. I will show you how to set up your profile, find jobs, send proposal, and get your first client. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's create your Upwork account. So first head over, go to the upwork.com and then just click to the sign up. Once you did, then you just need to choose I want to work as a freelancer. Like here, you just need to choose this one and just click over here, apply as a freelancer. Then you can sign up using email, Google or Apple ID. You can complete your email verification. Now you just need to fill your basic details like name, location and skill. Make sure you select skills that match the type of jobs you want, like graphic design, writing, web development, etc. Let's say I'm going to provide my address, my name, that is Rahman Arab. This is my name, and then I will take email from this platform, mail. This is a great platform, so I often use this platform. So I will copy the email address from that place. Let's say I'm going to copy this one. Okay, I copied this one, then I'll provide the address, and then I will give the password in here. I'll choose my country and then just click account. Once I did, then it will take a couple of minutes. Once it complete, then I will get an verification code. Congratulations. So here you can see how easy the process was. So verify your email to continue. As I said, so I will come over here, and from that place I am going to verify the mail. I will click this one and it will open in a new tab, and congratulations, your account is verified. So they are redirecting us to the profile. So now we just need to build our profile. So here you can see here, Rahman, ready for your next big opportunity. That's great. So I will click over here, this one, and you can skip for now, but I will fulfill all of this in this video. So I will read it. A few quick questions. First one, first, have a freelancer before? I am brand new to this. Then click next, and here got it. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? To earn to make money on the side, to get experience for a full-time job. So click on next, and then how would you like to work? I would like to work package by, I would like to opportunity myself, and I'm open to contact to hire opportunity. Next, create a profile. So now we are going to build our profile. So after registration, you will be guided to complete your freelancer profile. So you just need to be upload your professional photo. It would be clear, bright and smiling also. So here you can see 1 to 10, create your profile. How would you like to tell about yourself? Fill out manually, 15 minutes, or you can upload your resume. So I will go over here, and from that place I just need to add the skill. So I am from content creations and I'm a video editor. So let's find it out where actually it is available. So I'll click over here, design, then data science, customer service. So is it really actually available here or not? I just need to find it out. So editing and professional editing and proofreading service, not this one. Like clear this one, then go over here. So now for that one I'll click over here, design, and just choose video and animations, and then I will go over here next, and from that place they are asking us to add the skill. So I'll click over here, animations, then video. You just need to add all of these in here one by one. You can add maximum 15 skills in here. So I'll click over here. Once I did, then now got it. Now add a title to tell the world what you do. So you just need to give a title. It would be a strong title, like I am a video editor. So I am going to write this one, that video editor, and hit this next, add your experience. So you can add complaining overview, include what you do, then your experience, how you help clients, So I will just leave this as it as. So I will click over here skip on now. So here you can add your educations. I don't want to add this one, but if you want, then you just need to click over here and then provide your school name and just click save, and it's complete. Let's say I'm going to add this one, LIK. This is a short form of my university. So let's add this one, Lito. So is it available in here? Not as it. Let's search for Dhaka City College. Yes, it is available. So I will click save and done. Just click next, add languages, and here you just need to be add your languages. So my level in English is fluent, and I can say my second language is Bangla. I also can talk in Hindi and Urdu, so I will choose that as well. So this is my native. Then at this one, this is Hindi, and similarly it is an conversational, or I can say fluent, and then just click an overview. So you just need to write your overview in here. So you can take help from ChatGPT for write an overview or description for you. Let's say I'm going to give or given prompt that I am a video editor. So I want to work as a freelancer. So can you give me an overview for my Upwork? You just need to mention this, so you will get an wise decision here. So here actually you can see they will give us the overview in here. So here you can see it. You just need to copy the thing properly and then paste it in here actually. So here you can see tool I use, why work with me, and then here you just need to be copy whole things and come back in here and paste it in here. And now you just need to click over here next, and you just need to provide your hourly rate. My hourly rate will be 5, and then click your add and photo location. So here you just need to give an photo that will be clean, bright and smiling. I already mentioned. So here I'm going to upload this one. Give me a picture, give me a professional picture. Give me a professional picture on my Upwork profile. Let's hit, and you will get your professional picture in here. Face clearly visible. Yes. You can see it, they are giving us this one. So I will click and then hit, and it will take a couple of minutes to generate our images. Since I am generating a real photo without an image of you, I will generate a placeholder sample photo to show you what it should like. So here once you will get, you just need to be attach this photo in here. So once you complete, you just need to be click on review your profile. Once you did, then your account creation is almost done. Then it will be gone into the verify identity and get full approval. Upwork may ask for ID verification. Upload your national ID or passport. In some case, they will ask for a short video call to confirm your identity. Once approved, you can start applying for job. So verification help build trust and credibility with clients. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.